I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the physical inputs and outputs on both your MSI monitors and your graphics card. Know whether you have display port, HDMI, or USB-C. Once done, gather 2 matching cables or 1 cable plus a proper adapter. Never a passive splitter for 2 independent displays. Now power off the PC and both monitors. This prevents handshake errors. Next, plug in the first monitor to the primary GPU port, secure the connector, and route the cable so it won't be strained or kinked. You now connect the second MSI monitor to a different GPU output. Don't use the motherboard video outputs if you have a discrete graphics card. Once both cables are seated, power on the monitors first, then boot the PC so the GPU enumerates both displays. Make sure each monitor's input selection matches the cable used. After Windows boots, install or update your graphics driver and, if applicable, update monitor firmware. These updates fix detection and refresh rate issues, which is why you do them. You finish by opening your operating system's display settings and choosing Extend. Drag the screen icons to match physical placement, then assign the primary monitor. Next, set each monitor to its native resolution and desired refresh rate. Doing so prevents blur and stuttering. Fine-tune scaling and color calibration. Save settings. If a monitor shows no signal, try swapping cables or ports. Verify the monitor's input source. Test each monitor individually and update GPU drivers. This targeted troubleshooting
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.